What is up and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to talk about Hankly. Hankly is basically a drag and drop website builder. Now the first question which is going to pop up in your head is, why you have other website builders, why are you creating another one? So the USP of Hankly is it's going to allow you to create an e-commerce store all by yourself, and that too completely for free. That's right, I came across this lovely tool on Facebook and I went and I checked out on features and I loved the features, especially in the time where people want to go ahead and grow their brand online. And compared to like when we talk about online stores, of course there are Amazon and there is Shopify, which are the competitors. We are also going to take a look at the competitors in this particular thing. But yeah, I came across this particular tool and I love the features and I wanted to just share with you guys. Maybe it is helpful for someone who's looking out for creating a particular website online. And by the comment, I have noticed that a lot of people have watched my the playlist that is website builders. So I think this would be helpful. Without any delay, I am going to take you to the mobile screen. Let's have a look at the features and an overview, basically what Hankly has to offer. Alright, so here we are on the desktop screen. The first thing I want to take you to is the pricing, because it has a free forever plan. As I said, if you want to do it yourself, it's free forever without any limitations or trials. We charge only a commission of 3% per transaction with no additional charges. So as far as you do it yourself, it's completely going to be free, and they're just going to take 3% of the products that you go ahead and make a sale for. It might be a digital product, it might be a physical product, but it's only going to charge you 3% of the transactions. So I think that's pretty cheap. Apart from that, it also has the paid plans with them, but honestly I don't think this would be needed, because this is the first thing I would say is go ahead and try it yourself, because it's a really easy, it's going to be like a question and answer kind of a session, and it's like a drag and drop website. It's similar to the video that I created for Card. If you haven't checked it out, it's one of the website builder videos that is there in the website builders playlist. You can go ahead and check out the playlist, or I will tag that particular video at the end of this video. But it's something which is similar to that, and I really don't think that you guys need to go for this paid plan. Now I'm in India, so it's showing me the unit of 999 rupees, 2999 rupees and 499 rupees. Most of my traffic comes from US, so depending on your location, it would be a dollar sign or it would be a different currency over there. But honestly, I don't prefer, or I don't recommend for you guys to go for a paid plan, because it's just going to, only in that case, like when you really require a person from Hankly to create a website for a Hankly website for you, is when you think of going for these plans. Apart from that, I don't think that is required. Coming to few of the FAQs. Now the first thing that if I am gonna create a website, the first thing it's gonna come in my mind is, where do I purchase the domain from? So currently, that's a bad news. Currently I'm saying again, they do not share or they do not provide custom domains. You can get the free domain. For example, if I want to create my store, I am going to get a domain of www.thebeardedgeek.hankly.com. So hankly.com is the domain name that you're gonna get. But from that, if you want some other domain name or custom domain name, you can get it for free. You can get it for cheap from the other service providers, and you can connect on your store for free. So that is something which Hankly is giving you, though you can purchase a domain and connect it to your Hankly store for free. So that's something which I wanted to clear it out. Another part is Another part is, how can I get an SSL installed on my website? Now, SSL is really important in terms of the protection of your website, the encryption, and protecting from the other websites which are not secure enough, or the servers. So that is something which is going to be at an additional rate. It's going to be 300 rupees, and I think 300 rupees is not big amount to go ahead and for a store. So 300 rupees is something which you will have to make a payment for, but then apart from that, everything is free. So I think, and that's only when you want the SSL. Of course, if you are planning to create that, the physical product store, I think I would really recommend you to go ahead and buy the SSL, because SSL is really important for a particular website. Apart from that, I wanted to show you the features. So features, we have integrated solutions for free, no hidden charges, as already spoken about. Powerful product uploader. So our product uploader allows you to create, upload, and any product under 1 minute. So they do have a particular bulk upload system where they are going to provide you the samples. You can just copy the same Excel sheet, the columns, put it as per the fill it as per the Excel sheet that they have provided, and you can just upload it on their website. It's gonna upload your products in bulk. So that is something which is really cool, which we have on the other websites as well, but over here we are talking everything is free. So this is brilliant for me. No extensions required. Payment, they have already taken care of the payment gateways and shipping. The only thing is that integrations, integrations was something, or I think so, inventory management is something which is yet to come. Let me just check 1 second. So I read that thing on the website. Yeah. So over here, as I say, sell your products to millions of people. Handly gives you power to comfort selling and blah 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 blah, whatever. Without worrying online payments, shipping, and partners. And inventory management is coming soon. So inventory management is currently, which is not available. As I said, this tool is quite new. It's out there since like 3 or 4 months. So yeah, it's still coming. That is something which is there. Apart from that, no extensions required. Payment and shipping is already taken care of. There are page designers, which means there are templates which are provided to you in the dashboard in order for you to go ahead and select the particular template that you want. For example, if you want a video, if you want an image, if you want a link, what exactly do you want? So you can go ahead and customize it based on that. There's a unified dashboard which is really user friendly, again I would say, and you can go ahead and integrate the Google Analytics as well. So that is again gonna give you an idea of how many visitors are coming, how many new customers are coming, how many returning customers are coming to your website. So that's something which is a cool thing to track. Monitor daily traffic, sales, orders right from your unified dashboard directly integrated with Google Analytics. The custom domain, we have already cleared it for. You can purchase it from some other service providers and you can integrate it over here. The payment gateway. So for the payment, it's going to use your account details. It's really simple, guys. I mean, you just have to update your bank account details or your UPI ID. Now, UPI ID, you can just put it your Google Pay ID or your Phone Pay ID or Paytm ID. I don't know whatever ID you are comfortable with, but I think this makes it like a universal thing, especially when we guys are so much comfortable using the online payment gateways today. So you can just connect it with UPI IDs if you don't want to share the account details with them. Apart from that, shipping is something which is being taken care of. They have basically partnered with FedEx, Blue Dart Delivery, and Shadowfax. So I think these are brilliant brands in terms of course, when we think of partnering up with a shipping person, a shipping integration. So that's something which FedEx is the first thing that is going to come into my mind. So yeah, of course, I'm going to go and give a 10 to that. Page designers, again, it's as I said, like there are templates. Like for example, over here we see there is an image. If you don't want the image, you want article and image, whatever. So it differs based on your requirements. It's a responsive and built for SEO website designer. So that is again being taken care of. If you check it on mobile, it's going to work on mobile. Of course, you will have to firstly go live with your mobile, your website, and then you can go ahead and check it out. But yeah, however, so it's basically a responsive builder that you're gonna get, and it's completely SEO free as well. Like SEO free, when I say, so it's SEO customized or optimized. You do not have to worry about that. And the best part I thought was the hosting. In case if you are wondering where is my hosting going to be, the products which I put, it's gonna be on the Amazon. Amazon is the one which is going to host your products. Now coming to the comparison, why Hankly? So this is the three, what do you call it, daddies, not the three, I mean let's eliminate Hankly, but then these two are the daddies of online store market. And here is a quick and simple comparison. There is pricing, the pricing is free, and here we have 2,200 rupees per month. So again, this is showing me for rupees currency, but it might be different on your particular desktop. Depending on the location. Commission, this is going to charge you free commission. This is going to charge you 5 to 2% per sale, and this is going to charge you 0% of commission. So again, commission is something which is going to get eliminated by these two things. Website, it's completely for free, no hosted website. So website for selling Amazon products, or for selling your products, you will need your own website in terms of when you're getting, what do you call it, join with Amazon as a seller. Shopify, it's completely free. Shopify gives you the website, like creating the website is completely free. Payment integration, no setup required. As I said, it's just the bank account details or the UPI ID. Again, the setup is not required in Amazon, but the setup is required for Shopify. Payment charges, it's 3% per transaction, whatever. Per person who's paying you, it's gonna only charge that 3% of that particular transaction commission. Amazon doesn't have that, and if you check Shopify, it has 1% transaction more than the compared to Hankly. Beginner friendly, yes, I am giving you that word that it is beginner friendly, and there are no additional charges. I mean, sorry, it's not beginner friendly for Amazon either, as well as it goes the similar way for Shopify. Setup time, as I said, it is 10 minutes for Hankly. It's going to be 24 hours to 10 days for Amazon, and it's going to be an hour for Shopify. But considering the pricing and the transaction fee, the setup required, it's too much of jhanjat, it's too much of chaos, I think. So I'm going to eliminate Shopify from my list anyway. Marketing support, yeah, you do get marketing support on Hankly and on Amazon, but marketing support is something which you do not get on Shopify. So it becomes a chaotic thing if you're not able to understand anything, because you have to figure it out yourself, and there is no one who's going to help you out. So that becomes a really bad part and a bad thing altogether. Help and support, quick and simple, average and good. So that's a simple comparison which I thought would be helpful, and it's already provided on the website. You can go ahead and check it out yourself as well. I think that was pretty much of it. I went through this website and I liked the website. Please, again, I'm saying, if you like the website, do hit the like button, and if you want me to go ahead and create a detailed video about this one, please comment down below. That would be all from my end. So that was my video about Hankly, the website builder, the Fukat, the free e-commerce store builder for 2021. I don't know, go ahead, explore it out. I just like the tool. I explained it to you guys. I wanted to show it to you people that, okay, there is something called as like this, which is going to take a less time than, compared to Amazon or Shopify for that matter of fact. And setting up this particular tool or this store is not that difficult. Do let me know in the comment section if you want a full-fledged tutorial about this, because I just like this product and I just made a video about it. I don't know whether you would find it helpful. So if you are finding it helpful, please let me know so I can create an entire tutorial about it. Well, that's about it from my end for today. The social media links are as always in the video description. Please do come and say a hi. I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.